We're here in Paris. We made it to Paris. Come on, Eve. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Alright, we're by the bouquets of flowers and we are heading to the ICU. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day, and as you guys can see, we just got up with a sleep face on, and we're at breakfast at the hotel because we want an early start this morning to head on the road because today is our longest drive and our last drive before we settle in Paris for a few days. So we're at breakfast right now. Sarah's here, just had her bottle and eating pancake and bacon. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Look at her sleep face.
Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy in your tummy. Yummy in your tummy. Yeah. And babe, say morning, husband. Having his hot chocolate and bacon and eggs like myself. Say morning, Ty. Ty, what else was in your plate? Only pancake? Okay. Alright, so everybody having breakfast. Sarah had her bottle and having pancake and bacon, which she loves. Gonna give her some right now, so we're gonna hurry up and eat and head on the road. Okay, you guys, so we're on our way to Paris, but we discovered that there's a beautiful landscape on our way, so we just stopped. The kids are sleeping and the landscape is like 30 minutes from the car, 30 meters from the car. The car is right there, as you guys can see. So I'm just heading there, wow, to see what it looks like. So I'm approaching. It's nothing more than just a landscape. So let's discover this. What's the hype about? Let's see what's the hype about. Let's see what's the hype about. Let's go see it. Okay. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh my days. Wow. That's something. Wow. Look at that, you guys. It's crazy how the water shaped and the little island in the middle of it. And it goes all the way down there. Wow. That's beautiful. That's crazy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. That's so cool. That's it. Tell us, say wow.
Mom, I would like to see the rest of it.
That's all of it. You're looking at it gone in a different direction. Look at his face. You like seeing that?
I want to go and jump and swim in there.
It's not possible.
I'm going to go back all the way up there, and I'm going to take off my pants.
No,
I'm going to put on a short. Then I'm going to come back here. I'm going to jump, and I'm going to swim in the water.
No, you can't do that. We're on our journey, and we're seeing so many sunflowers. Look beside me. this part of France that we're in is so country, but it's good country. The farming is just beautiful. The land is huge. All you're seeing is sunflowers and corn and hay, and it's just beautiful to see. And cow food. Tyler said cow food. So I didn't really tell you guys where we're heading today. There you go, we're heading to Nevers. Nevers is... There you go, Tyler, hold on. He's so excited, you guys. Tell them where we're going, Ty.
We're going to Nevers. I bought that we're going to the ICU to give the people that helped me to feel better. We could give them some flowers.
There you go. So if you guys don't understand a thing that he just said, he said that we are going to Nevers. That's a city that he was born in and grew up until his first year. Tyler, when he was born, he stayed in the ICU for 3 weeks. So he always asks about it, we always talk about it. So we are taking him back to where it all began, where it all really began for Babe and I. To the house. Hopefully we can pull up at the gate to show Tyler where he grew up his first year. We take flowers to the ICU. Hopefully they'll accept it, you know, just to say thank you and continue doing a good job, especially because Tyler stayed there for 3 weeks. And then we are going to head to our final destination, which is Paris. So we're gonna do all that, and we're also gonna have lunch in Nevers. So all that's going to be done through today's vlog. So stick and stay, enjoy every bit of it. Enjoy going back with us on this beautiful journey back in time, and to just let Tyler enjoy today, because today is really dedicated to Tyler. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Welcome to where it all started. We are in Nevers. This is where it all began for Babe and I, right here, this little city on the riverbank. And Tyler. Oh my God, I walk these streets. Yes, Ty?
Where everything starts. Dans 400 mètres, place Saint-Nicolas, continuez tout droit pour rester sur boulevard Bertin.
When Mama lived in France.
My school used to be right up this street, Ty. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm gonna show you where I used to go French classes. You guys, oh my God, up that road. I used to go French classes up that road. I know my teacher is old and grey right now. I don't teach her anymore. Oh my gosh. This is Nevers. It's lunchtime and I'm having salmon and whatever this is. I think it's beans. Wait. And the baby's having beef and potatoes and salad. Sarah is having her own little thing. Look at her. And the food is here.
Thank you for putting one in my dish. Whoa!
You good? Dans notre groupe en Côte d'Azur, quand ils veulent se débarrasser des gens, ils le mettent du avoine.
With us since Tyler was 8 months. You guys would recognize this street because this is a street that I used to walk with Tyler and Babe, and to meet Babe from work. This is a street that Tyler and I used to walk on. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Finished having lunch and we're taking Tyler along the street that we used to live, which we're pulling up to right now. Why am I excited like? Ty, This is where we used to live coming up. Not this gate, but the one that this car is at. We used to live at this gate here. Oh my god. Through this green gate.
Want to come, Tyler?
Oh my gosh. Yes, go bring him. I'm not taking out Sarah though. Oh, Ty. This is where you used to live. I'm getting excited and emotional at the same time for him. Go, Ty. Oh, Papa gonna take him, man. I can't get out with Sarah because it's raining a bit. Aww. Babe took him to go to the gate to see. That's where it all began. Right there. Aww. This is bittersweet. Just to see him back to where it all started. This boy was ready to know. He's been asking so many questions about his city. Because he knew he wasn't born in Nice. So he had to take him back. Oh, he's very proud of his never. Look at him. Now you guys, you see why I moved from the city? It's always raining. And this Chinese restaurant, babe and I used to love go to that red building over there. Yeah, the one, another one down. Yes, there's one beside Cafe. We're in the car and it's time for the, can you guess, 200-meter finals. Hope you find TV online. What them I talk about? Hope me find TV online. Hope you find TV one of them because this now miss me. My nerves are going to kick in. Yes, can you see the phone?
No.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Everybody have to be tuned in, okay? Wanna stop message me now? Sure. I have my flag, you know, my flag there. I can't get out and scream because the rain fall. Watch me, girl. Come on, goodie. Mindset. Focus. Boy, I wish number 3 was in it so we get a clean sweep again. Me not lie. But one person me I focus on right now.
Auntie Air.
Go Auntie Els. Elsers.
She's handling how many?
Who, Auntie Els?
Yes.
She's in lane 7. No?
Yes.
Or lane 5?
Lane 7.
Lane 7. Elaine, running now. Running the heels. Running the heels. That's how me tell you the heels. Run. Just run. Don't even think if you hold a phone here, you know, cause.
I hope she wins.
She give it to me and hold it. I hold you. I hold you.
Come on, heels.
Do just like you did last time.
No faster. That's all I ask. Come on, Eels, let's go. Come on, Elaine. Come on, Elaine. Run, Elaine. Run, Elaine. Run, Elaine. Come on, Eels. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
She win. She win.
Shut them up, shut them up, shut them up. Bra, ra, 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 ra. Shut them up, ra, ra, ra. Kill them. Kill them, Eels. Kill them, Eels.
But they win. She win, Mama.
Hold on. Who comes second?
I think people are past Shelia the last. Is the little girl that did 53, I mean the junior girl. No, I think Shelly got past at the end.
No. Ben non. C'est pas vrai ça. Oh là là.
What's wrong, Mama?
Oh là là. Ah non.
What's wrong, Mama?
The other Jamaican girl got fourth.
But the good thing is that Auntie Elaine win.
Yes, Tyler.
Light up them skin ears. Light the fire under them ears. Well then, there you have it. Double Olympic champ. 1 and 2. Da, 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 da.
Mama, she's going to play again?
She have the 4x1 to go. Raining so bad. But Eels, you did it. You did it just like say you would. Just like you say you would. And look at me getting teary-eyed. Oh! Y'all don't understand what this girl has been going through. Y'all don't understand the things Eels have to go through to where she is now. Y'all see the glory, but don't have an idea of her story. Congratulations, Eels. You did it. You deserve it. I'm here on vacation crying real ass tears. I'm here crying real tears, you guys. You guys, I'm crying real ass tears. Elaine did it. She did it. She did it. Congrats, Eels. Well deserved. Well deserved. Alright, we're by the buckets of flowers and we are heading to the ICU. Come on, guys. Camera in the rain. Oh my god. No, sir.
We're doing a race like the
Let's go, guys. Okay, you guys, so this is the hospital where Tyler was born. Right here. Right here. Where it all started. Right, Ty? All along this hall, I used to hear Tyler Moth screaming on the top of his lungs. Oh my god. They used to call me like crazy. From this hall. Yes. See, yes. Right here is the ward Tyler used to stay on. Yep. Oh, I don't remember. Bill Malik, yes. Oh my god. That's so true. Oh my god, that's so true. Take the woody off my head. Fix his hair.
Oui, bonjour, j'ai mon petit garçon qui était soigné ici et on a voulu apporter des fleurs au personnel.
Oh, mais c'est gentil, on arrive.
Merci beaucoup.
He used to be right here.
Ici, c'est
Oh
pas
my
grave.
god.
À droite, on va à droite, on lave les mains, on met la blouse, la prend en de l'emporte-voir.
Right here, Tyler used to be.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ça va être petit, ça fait un moment.
Ah, mais oui, t'es grand.
Non, il est...
Quel âge tu as? Ah, ouais, c'est ça.
Hey,
D'accord, on en parlera à nos collègues.
Ouais.
Peut-être que certaines sont connues, c'est même sûr. On a des anciennes ici.
On est Casino, il n'y a pas de
C'est
souci.
gentil, donc pensez à nous, si vous allez après. Tout va bien?
Oui, tout va très bien.
Bon.
Ouais, mais là, il avait un problème d'hypoglycémie.
Ah oui, d'accord.
Il
D'accord.
est resté 3 semaines ici.
Ah oui.
Ah oui.
Il n'est pas de la région, on n'est plus de la région.
Ah
Donc,
ouais.
comme on est de passage, il a dit je veux aller
Ah,
voir.
bah,
Ah, c'est gentil,
très gentil.
dis donc.
Donc, voilà.
Ouais, ouais. Super. Tu rentres au CP à la rentrée? Ou pas?
Non,
C'est le-
C'est marrant,
on
t'es
fait-
déjà.
on fait
Je
ça
l'ai
dès-
sauté en classe.
Dis donc.
Après, il y en a qui...
Il avait une longueur d'avance. C'est ça, mais dis donc. C'est bien.
You gonna give her? Give it to her.
Beaucoup en tout cas.
Pas de soucis. Merci, Barbara.
Elle dit merci, Tyler.
Chambre où il était, ou si vous regardez un petit peu, vous pouvez
Oui.
voir.
Oui.
Vous pouvez, hein, si ça vous faire plaisir ou pas, comme il veut.
You want to see what it's like? Yeah, this is where I used to warm my food, and my mom had to come here and see Tyler through this window. So they said that Tyler can come around and see where the babies were. But there's no babies in there right now. Come, he can see if you look in there. Look, Ty. The little bed that you see is that little bed that you used to sleep in.
Just the one here.
Okay,
But
carry.
there's somebody in.
Ah, no. You see, Ty?
You see? So this is where you were. And
No, somebody in there. So you guys, when I used to stay here with Tyler, I was obsessed and addicted with their donut. So I can't come here and not get the donut. Even when I left here with Tyler, I used to come back here on the weekends to buy donut. So we're going to the cafe to buy donut now, and they were so happy to see. They were so happy to see us just now with flowers. They were so thankful, and we were happy that we were able to do that. Yes. Let's see if they have any. No, you can't see. Oops. So I'm buying this one here. This one I want. This one.
Chocolate one.
Okay.
The last one here.
Ok.
I want this
Alors,
one.
je vais prendre un donut au chocolat.
Buy this for me too.
You want
Un donut au sucre comme ça. C'est quoi le rocher?
Coco.
Ouais.
Okay.
Et ce sera tout.
This is Tyler's very first spark. These swings are Tyler's very first swings and very first slide. But it's raining, so we can't go there right now. Now we are leaving this little city that it all began, and now we're heading to our final stop for a while. We're heading to Paris, where we'll be landing and staying there for a few days before we off to another journey. But Paris will be so eventful, y'all. Stay tuned for all that. Okay. But today was nice. It was nice. It was amazing to bring Tyler back to the ICU and to see how happy the nurses at the ICU were to receive the love. That makes me feel good, you know, because people who work at the hospital, it doesn't matter what you do at the hospital, whether you clean, whether you serve, whether you are a nurse or a doctor, if it wasn't for all of you work together as a team, a lot of babies and a lot of mothers,
And especially, I'm gonna say all of the help.
everybody.
What I'm gonna call, not in a bad way, because I am one of them, like little hand, is the person we want to say thank you. Of course, we want to say thank you to the doctor, but the doctor, they are in a well situation, like financially and all of these things. The little helper, nurses, care of this thing, they don't do a job when financially they get a lot, so it's also important to remind them because the
You're
condition is
appreciated.
very hard.
Oh,
That
yeah. You're
very
appreciated.
important. You're appreciated.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It was good to go back, you know, and to just show our appreciation. So now on to Paris we'll go. Let's go. Are you ready? I'm ready, for sure, to stop driving for a while. So, here we go to Paris. Welcome to Paris, you guys. We are in Paris and we are staying at two of my favorite people, and I'll tell you guys why. I'm staying at one of babe auntie's house. They'll be here with us about, I think, 2 days until they are leaving on vacation. They're leaving on vacation, but they're leaving the house with us, leaving the keys and everything. So we'll be here for about 2 weeks, and we have so much to do while we're here. We'll be touring out the entire Paris. This auntie is one of my favorite person because on my very first trip to France, I stayed here at her house, at this very house, in the same room that the kids will be sleeping in. So we have a special bond. She have a special place in my heart, she and her husband. So this auntie is the sister of babe dad. So it's the auntie by babe dad side of the family. And she's absolutely amazing. Auntie Agnes, we call her, and Uncle Luke. So we're at their house. You guys will see them in a bit. They're in the kitchen chit-chatting. Tyler, stop, your sister's gone to bed. I just put Sarah to bed, so we're just here waiting for dinner to be ready. And yeah, we're here in Paris. So finally made it to our destination. We won't have any long drive to do for the next 2 weeks, and then we're just gonna enjoy Paris and just do Paris like Paris should be done. So be ready for all the Paris vlogs rolling after today. All right, you guys. I'll see if I come back and end the vlog, but if not, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. There he is, the bonjour.
Bonjour. Mais je dis bonjour.
That's Tonton Luke. C'est qui? Ça c'est j'ai fait la vidéo pour mon chaîne YouTube.
C'est personne alors.
Oui, c'est beaucoup de personnes.
Delaveaus, mais
Il connaît,
on regarde des fois. On regarde.
Il
Sur la chaîne
regarde.
YouTube, on regarde. Delaveaus.
But can I watch TV?
Super.
No, not no. Go watch it. My two favorite. Tata
Ouais,
et Tonton.
je vais leur faire.
Tata, dis bonjour.
Ça va, hein? Moi ça va.
Poulet.